Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Devina Salma. Here I will present my project about the importance of environmental conservation in today's society. Next, environmental definition. The environment is everything that is around us, which includes all living things such as humans, animals, plants, and non-living things such as soil, water, air that interact in an ecosystem. The environment consists of various components that are interrelated and influence each other, both naturally and through human activities. The main component of the environment are water, soil, flora, fauna. Import to keep nature in balance. Effort to maintain nature in balance and sustainability include various actions, from use of natural resources to reducing pollution and supporting biodiversity. It is important to maintain environmentally friendly policies. Why environmental conservation is important? Environmental conservation is essential because it maintains the balance of ecosystem, provides vital natural resources, and protects human health. By preserving the environment, we help ensure the continuation of life on Earth for future generations. 1. Maintaining ecosystem balance. Protective human health, preventing natural disasters, improving economy and tourism, improving quality of life, and the role of individuals and communities in environmental conservation. Individual role. Everyone has a personal responsibility to protect the environment. Small step from one person, if done consistently and together, can have a big impact. 1. Reducing the use of single-use plastic. 2. Recycling and reusing items. 3. Saving energy and water. 4. Planting trees or caring for plants. Next, in conclusion, environmental preservation is not a responsibility of one party alone, but the responsibility of all of us, both as individuals and as part of a community. We live on the same earth, and our future depends on how we take care of it today. Start from small things, reduce plastic waste, plant trees, save energy, and invite others to care. Because every small action we do together will bring big changes. As the saying goes, we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children, so let's take care of this earth not only for ourselves, but also from the future generation. Thank you.